MJ! Where's... Harry?
Pete? You look tense. Coffee?
We need to talk.
You must get tired making the world a better place every single day. But I can help. All you have to do is let me.
This isn't you.
Wrong. This is the real me. I finally have the power to realize our vision. Are you giving up on me?
Harry, we need to get that thing off you.
Do not call us a thing.
Harry.
We are not, Harry. We are.
Let her go!
Show him what he's missing.
You can't have her!
Too late.
MJ. I'm sorry. MJ, just talk to me!
I'm done talking! Done begging for validation from you. Make it stop! Make it stop! I'm done talking! Done begging for validation from you. From anyone!
Validation? If this is about your job!
It's about me! Nay! Not my job! Stupid house! And for once, not about you!
About me? MJ, what do you mean?
You sick! So loud! It hurts!
I don't want to hurt her. I have to get through. Just talk to me.
No more!
I can't leave MJ like this. Has to have a weakness. Don't let it control you.
You always patronize us!
voices! They aren't telling the truth! I heard them too! I know how it feels!
Always about... Make it stop! Make it stop! Always about... Always about you! You can't keep a job! You can't pay the mortgage!
I have a job! With Harry! We'll be okay!
And for how long? There's only one job you care about! Spider-Man!
That's not fair! People need me! You know that!
What would the city do without Spider-Man? Look how it's doing with you!
I can still fix this! I always do! We always do!
I always come second! I live in your shadow where my dreams turn to dust! It's the truth!
What are you saying? You do make a difference! What you do matters! MJ, it's me!
No more!
Don't let it control you!
Shut up!
Remember your book? You said you want to help people!
Nobody read it! Nobody cares!
That's not true. If I helped one person, it was worth it.
MJ, it's me!
Make it stop! Make it stop!
Don't let it control you!
You always patronize us!
I might be the only one who can help her help herself. We can fight this, MJ!
No more!
needs you. I need you.
Don't lie to me! Pete! I need you too!
You just want to stay the stronger half! What? Don't feel special anymore? Make it stop! Make it stop! You just want to stay the stronger half! What? Don't feel special anymore?
Don't let it control you!
You just want to stay the stronger half! What? Don't feel special anymore?
What? No! You're stronger than me in so many ways! You've been single-handedly holding our lives together! I'm sorry, MJ! I took you for granted!
MJ is gone!
No! You aren't! I'm sorry I caused you so much pain! The house! My job! Our life together! I promised you I'd be better, but I wasn't! I should have listened! I should have been there! We're a team! Me and you! I never want your life to be worse to make mine better! Your dreams are just as important as mine!
You're lying!
You're just as important!
Enough! We've had enough!
We can fight this, MJ!
You can't stop us!
MJ, it's me!
Shut up!
Isn't what you want!
How do you know what we want?
You're Mary Jane Watson. You want the truth.
Yes. I want the truth.
Are you?
Am I? I'm okay. Yeah, I think... I'm okay.
You did it.
Wait. Not yet.
Watson, where are are you with my apple fritters? I'm starving, and
Jonah? Kiss my ass. I quit.
What's up?
You're so cool. I thought I'd lost you.
I think I've been lost for a while now. Not just to the symbiote. For months I've been trying to be something I'm not.
I'm glad you're back.
Sorry.
It wasn't you. And I wasn't me earlier.
Pete, Pete, it was like some kind of hive mind in there. I saw you. And Harry, he was going after this rock.
Miles is at City Hall.
Go.